Renon Power is proud to introduce the EBrick series, a high-performance, low-voltage household power storage system that will transform the way you harness and utilise energy. Whether you're looking to store energy from a generator, the grid, or a solar PV system, it is designed to meet your power needs efficiently and reliably. With advanced rack design and plug-and-play connection, installation is easy and quick. The 51.2 volt battery module provides a robust power capacity of 5.12 kilowatt hours for a steady power supply. The scalable design supports up to 32 modules in a parallel configuration, allowing custom-made adjustments to match your energy needs, whether high or low. Additionally, it offers improved surge power capacity, providing a reliable backup solution in a compact and space-saving system. Built with safe, reliable and durable lithium iron phosphate cells, the product is both secure and dependable. With a service life of 10 years and a battery life of up to 8,000 cycles, it offers long-lasting performance. The integrated smart energy management system allows users to customise the system's behaviour according to their specific needs. Also, it can be monitored remotely for effective maintenance and easy firmware upgrades through the mobile app, Renon Cloud. It includes DC Type 2 surge protection to safeguard against power fluctuations and surges. The passive convection cooling system ensures effective heat dissipation and optimal performance even in demanding conditions. Experience the convenience of easy installation, the flexibility of scalability, and the peace of mind that comes with our safe and reliable product.